About to do my night routine, starting off with brushing my teeth. I was really tired, but I know I had to get this done, so started off with that. Now I'm going to wash my face with my facial brush and my cleanser. And this facial brush stays on for a minute. I'm able to gently scrub my face with this very soft bristle brush. And I do this morning and night. And it feels really good. And it doesn't bother my skin at all. So I do this, like I said, every day. It's part of my morning and night routine. Get my throat as well as my entire face. Now the next thing I'm going to do is rinse off that cleanser with a washcloth with warm water. Again, it's very important to use the washcloth, not just water. Now I apply my night cream. Our skin replenishes its stores at night, so this is very important to apply night cream. And this is non-greasy, and whether you have normal to dry or oily skin, everyone should use a night cream. And this is what I'm doing, and I'm gently rubbing it in and not pulling the skin, but just pressing it into my skin. And the next thing I'm going to do after I get this all pushed in, so I'm going to go and put on my eye cream. And I love this eye cream. It moisturizes for 12 hours. It has a unique metal tip. And it's very gentle. And it just presses the eye cream into my under eye area. I also get above the eye, under my brows. And I do this on both sides of my eye. And any residual or leftover cream, I just pat in with my ring fingers very gently. But the tip of the applicator is made to do this, so it's not rough at all. It's very gentle. So now the next thing that I'm doing, I'm going to take my shower with my shower scrub, apply my dry oil as well as my coconut oil, and it's time to get ready for bed. So now, after having my hair up all day, I usually take it down and sweep it to the side. And after I do that, then I put my satin scrunchie on it and just usually pull it to the front so that I can comfortably sleep on one side. And that is my night routine.